2 days ago, YouTube Shorts was launched for every creator in India. And in this video, I'll cover the complete tutorial on the same. And right now, it is one of the hottest terms in India. And trust me, it is as hot as it can be. It is so competitive that even Google is bidding on Google Ads right now, as you can see on the screen. And that's how competitive it is. So you know what to do with YouTube Shorts. Try making as many shorts as possible to gain as many subscribers as you can. So the purpose of this video will be to give you a complete tutorial of YouTube Shorts as of now. In the next video, which will be coming out tomorrow, I'll be explaining everything. For example, whether this watch time will be counted or not, or this will be monetized or not, and if you're including the music, then will it be copyrighted, or all these kind of things would be answered in that particular video. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out that video. Also, if you belong to a place where YouTube Shorts hasn't been released till now, then just skip to the last part of the video where I reveal how you can access it. Just go ahead and check that out. Hi guys, Sannidhya this side, and this is the place where I talk about digital marketing, YouTube growth, personal branding, and a lot more. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Also, you can find me on other social media channels, the link to which is in the description below, where you can shoot me any query and I'll answer it happily. So let's jump onto my screen straight away and let me show you how to deal with YouTube Shorts. Okay, so this is how my channel looks like, and there's a plus button at the end, okay, in the bottom, sorry. And if you click on this, there would be 3 options, and the one would be saying create and then video. Okay, for iPhone users, where my name is appearing over here on just next to it, right side, there would be a video option which would be coming over there, and if you click on that one, then again it would be coming with a prompt where it would be asking you to create 3, like from choosing you from you have to choose from these 3 options. And what's happening to me, sorry. So right now I'll choose the video option, and it straight away gives me create a short option. Now I'll click on this. I could have also uploaded one of those, but I would be clicking on create a short right now. I can again upload any of these, but I would be actually shooting one, so I'll just again go over here and then video and then create a short. And with this create a short, there comes a lot of features. First thing first, you can't add any text, and also you can't add any effect over here. But there's a pro tip, which is you have TikTok, you have Instagram Reels, go ahead, use them, right? So you can use those things, okay, and they might help you. And then come over there and upload it, just like I told you how to upload it. Now, second thing is adding a music. So how you can add the music? You can just click over here. You can search for a music, or you can just cancel it, and the ones which are available, you can use any of these, okay. For the purpose of this one, okay, I'll just reduce the volume because I don't want to get a copyright strike. I want feelings, okay. Since I want feelings, I'll just go ahead and choose this one. Now, when I have selected feelings, I can adjust, okay, which particular part do I want to play, okay. Now that I have adjusted, okay, so I didn't mention one thing which is very important. So you get only 15 seconds. Right now, the feature includes only 15 seconds. The duration is 15 seconds. Why I am emphasizing on that is because, okay, I'll explain you at the end. Because you might be seeing that there are a lot of videos which are getting featured in the YouTube Shorts section which are more than 15 seconds, and they are of 60 seconds. So at the end, when I will be telling you how to access it, where you, like, if you don't have that particular option available in your locality or in your zone or in your country, then I'll be telling you how to do it and how you can unlock that feature of 60 seconds. So yeah, now this is how you can add the music. And now speed. So basically speed is the same as on Instagram Reels. If you are acquainted with that, the speed feature is same on TikTok and over here. So if you do 2x, then it will start recording in a fast way. If you press 2x, then it will start recording in a fast way. That means whatever I'm saying would appear faster, okay. So if I click on this one, yeah, it would be appearing faster, okay. And if I click on 0.5x, then basically whatever I'm saying would slow me down, okay. See, it has slowed me down, and that's why the timer was running fast, and that's the effect. Now these are the 2 features. So basically I covered these 2 features. Now let me show you next thing, which is timer. So here is the timer. So basically the countdown is which you use when you click a photo. Okay, when you click a picture and you want a countdown so that you reach your place and then the shoot should begin. Countdown is for that. Then basically how long do you want that particular clip to be? This particular thing can be maintained by sliding this particular pointer which you have. Are you getting it? I talk to you slowly so that you understand. Please repeat this part if you didn't understand that. Then I'll just click the start. Okay, so you can see over here this particular thing has a pointer over there, and yeah, so already this particular thing had a pointer on the timer, and only till then it is recorded. Now if we want to record again, we'll have to click on the timer, or even if we don't want to click on the timer, we can just press the record button and it will start recording. I don't know why I'm fumbling a lot but yeah, this is what the function of this one is. Now I have to explain what the function of the cross is. So the cross is basically to delete the last clip, and this is how I have deleted it. But if you delete it accidentally and you want to recover it, there is a redo button which appeared just now. So I'll click on the redo, and basically it undid the function, which should have been undo. Okay, fine. They redid the option. Okay. So yeah, that sums it up. Now if I press next, okay, this is how the clip would look, and then I press next. In some phones where I saw, there's only create a title, for example in this one, but in some there is a description as well. So depending upon the model which you are using, you would have the feature. Now you have the option to schedule it, to private it, to unlist it, just like you have for every other YouTube video. Then you can also select the audience, it's made for kids and all. No, don't restrict video to this thing, which every particular YouTube video option you have for audience, you have it over here as well. And then if you press the upload, then it will get uploaded. Now one question which I got was whether you can customize the thumbnail. Well, you can customize the thumbnail, but in the slider in the YouTube Shorts where it appears, it basically picks up a thumbnail on its whims. Okay, there's no clarity to it. Any frame like earlier YouTube used to do. That's the thing. Now the last question, which I already promised you, that how would you get YouTube Shorts if the feature is still not available in your region? So according to the official statement of YouTube, this is what it says. You can still upload your existing vertical videos that are less than 60 seconds using the hashtag shorts and in the title or description. So use it in the description as well as in the title, both the places. We'll be testing out a section on the YouTube homepage to highlight videos created from the shorts camera, as well as any vertical video up to 60 seconds that have been uploaded to YouTube. So you remember when I was saying that the duration is 15 seconds, but you can do it for 60 seconds as well. This is the trick. Okay, and it follows by saying we'll be rolling out even more ways to find shorts over the coming weeks. Stay tuned. So go ahead, use it. It's the most competitive and the hottest term, like one of the hottest term available, or just go ahead, use it. Anyway, since you are here and you already love branding and YouTube, so watch these two playlists. One is on branding on Instagram, and another one is branding on YouTube. And please ignore my fumble. I'm not always like this. So today I guess I am a bit afraid. Anyway, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, bye bye.